That's how you take a WMA file or a useless audio file and turn it into a WAV file or an MP3. Then you can drag and drop it into DaVinci or some sort of video editor and just make the album cover the video and then export it as an MP4 and then upload it to YouTube and use ChatGPT to fix any lyric issues you may have. Then copy and paste the lyrics into the auto sync and you can auto generate lyrics. And yep. Okay, and welcome back to another video by FoCo Web Design. Today I'd like to show you a process of changing a file that you don't like and convert it into a different file type. I have an audio file type, for example, that's a WMA. I need to convert it into an MP4, then I need to upload it to YouTube, and I need to have lyrics synced with it on YouTube, and it has to be done quickly because I have a lot of them. So this is my process that I've been doing, and I wanted to share it. It might help some person. So first of all, the lyrics is an issue. When I open it in a new tab, it's a PDF file, and so when I select all, I'm going to just skip a step here and show you what I've been doing. When I paste it, you can see how it's all cluttered together and the words are mushed together like this. So I came up with a prompt to give to ChatGPT that basically told it to unmush it and put it in a nice order. So go ahead and do that again here. And you can see this is how, and I can't copy and paste this into the YouTube auto sync lyric generator because it won't be able to read this correctly, and so that would take forever to rewrite it. Thank God we have ChatGPT now. So this is going to go ahead and take care of that super quick. And then I have a converter over here that I've been using called aconvert.com. It can convert multiple files at once for free online. It took me forever to find one that was free online that could do more than one, but this one's pretty good. And so these are the most recent 4 I've got here. And so the next one is going to be Revere the Mystery, which I don't know if I have that one yet, so let me just take that and watch this file converter. I need to get one more done real quick, so I just added it, Revere the Mystery. It tells you what the file was, gives it a different name after, so you have to rename it. Revere the Mystery, you just click here, and then you have to click here, and it will download the file, and you have an hour before it deletes itself. So that's kind of nice too. So then once this file is downloaded, I have DaVinci over here. So I'm going to keep the album cover the same and just replace these so I don't have to keep making a new project each time. So once this is completed, I'm going to drag and drop it into here, and this is the album cover. So that's fine. That's all you need, because you got to have some sort of image and make it an MP4 for it to upload to YouTube, especially with the lyrics and everything. So grab this. I'm going to rename it just to stay organized a little bit. This one's what the hell is the name of it? Revere the Mystery. I know it takes longer, but you'll thank yourself if you make a mistake. And then Revere Mystery, I just dragged and dropped it into here on my other screen. And go ahead and fix the extension there, make it the same distance. And then click on YouTube, you can paste the name in, make sure that this is correct, add to render query, render. And then it just takes a second to render. When ChatGPT is able to connect to plugins, there'll be a plugin that can do all of this all at once, and you'll just give you a download file for an MP4, and it'll make the picture. It could probably do all of this. This is all pretty basic. It's just kind of annoying. This is a great example of what artificial intelligence is going to replace here probably in the next few months. This video will be completely useless to upload, really. Maybe one or two people will get some use from it. So then once this is done, I like to right click on them. I save it to my desktop, I think, usually to make it easy, but open file location. And now we can just upload this to YouTube. So I'm going to put it over there so you can see what's going on. Create and upload a video. Go back to ChatGPT, grab the lyrics that are done now. Copy, paste it into the description. I'm going to get rid of a couple things here. And then next, no, add subtitles, auto sync. This is what's so nice. So then you can just do this and get rid of everything that's not lyrics. I could have had ChatGPT get rid of the word harp also, but it's not a big deal. So that's good, and it takes a while for it to be done, so you got to leave it. I'm gonna have to come back and you have to fix little small edits in here to make it perfect, but that's it. That's how you take a WMA file or a useless audio file and turn it into a WAV file or an MP3. Then you can drag and drop it into DaVinci or some sort of video editor and just make the album cover the video, and then export it as an MP4 and then upload it to YouTube and use ChatGPT to fix any lyric issues you may have. Then copy and paste the lyrics into the auto sync, and you can auto generate lyrics. And yep, I hope this is helpful. I mean, it's a process that took me a second to figure out the quickest way of doing it all, and I think that's the quickest way for now. If there's a quicker way, I'd be curious to know. So okay, thank you, have a good day, subscribe, like if this was helpful for you, and let me know if you have any questions as well.